Hey youngsters! Today we are gonna make some chicken fried rice. You heard me, chicken fried rice. Now let's get into it. All right, I have 2 clean chicken breasts that I'm gonna cut up into like small pieces. Okay, so the pieces are small, about that size, just like a little size. All right, so we're gonna season it with onion powder, white pepper, garlic powder, a little bit of salt, cornstarch. Give it a mix. I'm gonna add a little soy sauce. All right, and set that aside. All right, let's start making our sauce. We're gonna use soy sauce, oyster sauce, and I will leave the recipe in the description box below. Gonna add a little sugar, onion powder, garlic powder, white pepper, sesame oil, another little pinch of salt, and give it a mix. And set that aside. Okay, so we're gonna start by using some vegetable oil, or you can use any like avocado oil, a high-temp oil, basically. All right, I'm gonna add my onion. My garlic. Add some more oil. I'm gonna add my chicken. Okay, you want your chicken nice and golden. You're just gonna remove it. All right, you're gonna add a little more oil. Now you want to add your day-old rice. Remove all of your lumps out of the rice. You want to add your peas and carrots. You want to add your sauce. You're going to add your chicken back in. Give it a good mix. And add in your scrambled eggs. Add your scallions or green onions. And your chicken fried rice is done. And now for the taste test. Take a bite. I think a Chinese restaurant about to hire me, okay? Because this is good. Take another bite. This is delicious. Guys, you all have to try this recipe. I'm telling you, it's very easy. I try to give you all easy recipes. It's very easy. It's easy, even easy to prep. If you're a vegetarian and you don't want to put the eggs and the chicken, you can eliminate that. It's still going to be tasty. So give this a try. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it out. Please leave me a comment below and let me know what you guys think. Okay, youngsters. Until next time, bye.